If you know you're not yet monetized on YouTube, yet you want to be making a lot of money on YouTube because you've been spending a lot on data, on time, effort, and all of that, or you know that you are already monetized but you're not getting as much as you would desire and you want more aside brand deals, AdSense, or you know you want what you just want on your channel is the views, the watch hours, the subscribers, engagement in general, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you a legit way to get all of these things, and please stay through with me. Do not skip out on any part, and at the end of this video I'm going to tell you some things that you want to put in place so that you can actually get the money that you are working for. Please do not skip that part. If this is your first time meeting me, hi, you're welcome. I'm Glory C, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow on YouTube. I tell you mistakes to avoid, and I also tell you tips and strategies that you want to imbibe so you can grow your channel and get monetized fast. So if this sounds like something you would want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge. And do not forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video so it can get to a lot more content creators like you. Now let's get into the money making factory. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to your YouTube app, the normal app. Then you go over to where you have your profile picture. Go to where you have your videos. Okay, so go to where you have your videos. Now the next thing you want to just do is to go ahead and pick any of your videos. So let me pick this one I uploaded 2 days ago, how I got monetized on 2 channels, blah blah blah. So I'll click on the 3 dots there. Now notice what is here. You can see promote. Please do not skip out on what I'm going to say at the end of this video, please. Okay, so you just tap on promote, right? Because this is definitely going to work. So when you tap on promote, it says you can see goal. What is your main goal? Do you want audience growth or do you want video views? You can even go ahead to click the info icon that's right beside it. If it's audience growth, that means you want to get more subscribers, you want to get views of additional videos on your channel. But if it is video views, that means you want to get more views on a particular video. So let me just go ahead and pick video views. I have my reason for picking video views. Okay, I'm going to explain. Then you tap on next. When you tap on next, you can see your Google Ads account will appear. Sorry, I had to blur it out for safety reasons. Then you can see create a new account. Okay, now this selected Google Ads account will be linked to your channel, and YouTube uses that account and its billing to run promotions. Okay, so if you want to use that, you can go ahead and use that. But if you want to use a different Google Ads account, you can use a different Google Ads account. But here I'm going to be using this Google Ads account that's already here, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on next. Now you can see promotion details. Select a video from your channel. No need to create a new video, just select one from your channel. Even Google is advising us. Okay, so what you want to do is, this is the video title. Please if you're picking any video, just ensure it's a very good one. But I'm just flow with me. I'm going to tell you the type of video you want to create and use for this. Okay, so you want to just go ahead and edit any of these things. Promotion headline, promotion description. So you want to put your description there, very good description. Your headline should be a very good title. Now it says where it appears. This video will be placed among other videos on the YouTube app home feed, YouTube search results, and YouTube watch next. You would notice that sometimes you get on YouTube and you just see some videos. Immediately you go on YouTube, whether you're subscribed to them or not, you see those videos, and under those videos you're going to see sponsored. That means they did something like this. So what you want to just do is, you can see here, this preview is just an example and doesn't show every way that your promotion may appear. So that means this is how it's going to look when people go on YouTube. Okay, so this place that is showing the black line is where they can easily subscribe. So let's just tap on next. Okay, now who will see your promotion? If you want it to just be Nigeria, maybe you want Nigerian viewers, you can go ahead and pick Nigeria. If you want other nations, you can just come here and tap location. Okay, so me, I'm going to leave this one at Nigeria. Okay, so done. Now the next one, European Union political ads. I'm just going to tap on no. This promotion doesn't have EU promotional, political ads. Now the next one, all genders. Before you pick all genders, you want to go ahead to your channel and look at the, what do they call it, demographic of your channel. If you have mainly females, you want to put females. If you have mainly males, you want to put males. But at the same time, I'm going to tell you how you can actually tell if you can watch to the end of this video. So then all ages, it depends. If you have many people, depending on the demography of your channel, do you understand? If you have from ages 18 to 65 plus watching your videos, it's okay. But then I'm still going to tell you what you need to know, okay? I don't just want to drag things. So let's just go ahead and tap on next. Now, budget, how much do you want to spend? Now, this is a very important part. Okay, first of all, you want to go ahead and pick your currency. If you want to do that, just come here, tap on USD and pick your preferred currency. So I'm going to be using USD for the purpose of this particular video. Okay, so now you can look at the estimated views, but look at the budget. If you're using $50 for 7 days, you're going to be YouTube is going to show your video to 18,000 people, from 18,000 people to 59,000 people. But the views that YouTube can tell you that, oh, you should be able to get this number of views, that's from 2,000 to 8,200 views. Do you understand? Now let's reduce the budget, okay, to like $10, or let's just reduce it to like $10. Okay, so if you reduce to like $10, then the number of days, if you leave it at 7 days, you get like, YouTube will show your videos to like 14,400 to 4,400 to 14,000 people. But then YouTube can guarantee you between 420 to 1,700 views. But if we now reduce the duration, say to 4 days, let's just say 4 days, you can see YouTube will show it to like 4,000 to 4,000 to 13,000 people, and then YouTube can guarantee you 400 to 1,700 views. Do you understand? So it now depends on your budget and the number of views you're looking to get. That's what you're going to look at. But for the purpose of this one, let me just pick $100 and 14 days. That's for 2 weeks. So that means YouTube should show my videos to people from between 40,000 to 130,000, and then I should be able to get like 4,005 to 18,000 views on this particular video. So now, based on your total budget, you spend an average of $7 per day for the selected duration. I'm going to go ahead and tap on next. Okay, now you want to enter your payment information. So this is Nigeria. If it's another country, you just tap on the drop down arrow there, and then you can pick your preferred country. Okay, now note what it says. It says time zone applies to your entire account and cannot be changed later. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on finalize. Okay, so this is where I have to add my card details and all of that. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and make your payment, and note what is going to happen. Now, I said I was going to tell you some very, very important things. Now, the first thing is, you see the reason I picked video views instead of audience growth. There is a reason for this. Now, the thing is, when you want to do this, because you know that you are this thing is just like a business, because you know that you are using your money to get this, then you need to get your ROI. Your ROI is your return on investment. It's just like you doing any business. As long as you're putting your capital into something, you expect that you will get profit, you expect that you get returns from that thing. So that's what we are looking to do here. So your capital is just like this, my $100, right? So what you want to do is, you want to ensure that that video that you are promoting, you have either a product or a service there that you are also promoting, that you are selling. Do you understand? So that at the end of the day, when people are watching that video, they also would see something that they are buying. So that at the end of the day, let's assume you spend $100, even if it's just maybe 10 people, or in fact maybe out of your 4,000 people that watch, let's assume you get just even 20 people, and you are selling that thing for, even if it's $10, you get $200. So it's already more than your $100 that you spent. Do you understand? But obviously you're going to get more than that 10 people, especially if you know that you sold your product very well in that video. Like, even if it will take you to use ChatGPT to say, script this video for me in such a way that selling this product will be very captivating to my audience, you want to go ahead and do that, so that even if you're spending your money, you'll be getting your money back in multiple folds. This can work for any channel, whether you are monetized or not. You are promoting your channel. Now, another thing is, you want to ensure that your thumbnail and your title, they are very, very captivating, very, very catchy. Most of the time, if you see all of these videos that are sponsored, you'll see that they are selling something in those videos. They either want you to sign up for something, to get registered for something, to buy something from them, to sign up for a class. They are selling something in that video. So you have to do this strategically. And trust me, as you are getting those video views, people are subscribing to your channel. Do not forget. And so therefore, they are also going to be watching your other videos. So you have to play your game very well. If you have any questions as regards this, do well to ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your questions, okay? Do not forget our YouTube Studio General Coaching class coming up on the 19th of October. Trust me, you do not want to miss that particular class, because you're going to understand the A to Z analytics of your YouTube Studio, how you can use it to, help your channel do better, and to also stop things that you're doing that you're not doing very well. They're not helping your channel to grow. Don't worry, we're all going to come to an agreement when it comes to the time, so that it can favor a lot of people. You can go ahead and sign up. The link is in my description box, and I'll see you either in class or on this other video. Do not forget, I love you. Keep winning on your channel. Bye, Sea World. Mwah.